All right, my friends, welcome back to Nerd Chic. Today, I get the awesome experience of opening this Lenovo Tab M8 HD. These guys are awesome. So here's the back of the box. Here's what they look like. I mean, you guys, this is Lenovo's entry-level tablet. And I got to tell you, they are absolutely exceeding expectations. I've seen so many great reviews. I can't wait. I'm going to do 2 more videos after this at least where I do the setting up video, and this is just the box opening. And then I'll also do a video on some of its speed and how well it does, because I've heard amazing stuff. This thing outperforms the new Amazon Kindles. It outperforms any of the other tablets I've gotten recently. And so, you know me and entry-level tablets. I've bought ones that are $50. I've bought Amazon Fire tablets that are, incentivized. This one is the real deal Holyfield, $85-ish. So you can find it on Amazon and elsewhere. And I just got a deal and I'm super excited. So let's open this and let me show you what's inside the box. What I love about it is it's got a long battery life. It's got one of the longest battery lives of any of the Android tablets. You do get a full Android on it. It's got the dual band Wi-Fi. It's also got a metal case, which is a bonus because none of the other Amazon tablets have a metal casing that I've gotten. They're all like plasticized. And then I'm trying to think. Oh, the quad-core processor. Incredible stuff. This is a really great tablet. I'm just really blown away that it's so inexpensive. I'm killing the box. Okay. Let's see what's under the hood here. It's an interesting box to get open. Yay, there it is. Oh, isn't that a beauty? Look at that. You're seeing it from the back. Oh my goodness. Getting it out. Well, Lenovo hasn't gotten down the Apple-like way of getting things out. So there's the back, actually. That's the metal, the large camera. That's a really great camera. And the device itself, there it is. Wow, it's super shiny. So you're seeing all the reflections of my room, sorry. And then here's what else is in the box. Okay, so over here you've got the pen so that you can pop it out and get the cards in and out, like the SD cards. That's nice. You got the awesome instructions. It's good to have those. And then on the other side you've got your power adapters. Isn't that cool? So it looks like generally the same kinds of power adapters. Yep. And all this. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out and put them together, and you can see on the power adapter is the micro USB, and you've got a brick as usual. So that's it. So there you go. And that's what's in the box. Very minimal. I'd say this is the most minimal of any of the tablets. Boxing, what I've gotten inside the box. But hey, you know what? I'm not worried about what's inside the box. The minimal amount of stuff doesn't bother me a bit. What excites me is the maximum amount of power. Plus, this thing feels substantial. It's metal backed. I like the beveling for the glass. Feels very safe for it. Much safer than the Fire or anything else. And then I've got a screen protector coming and as well a sleeve to put it in. But I got to be honest, I'd say that just the way this thing is built is fairly durable. I like it. So my next video, I will fire this puppy up and get it set up and let you see how that goes. And then from there, I'll show you some of its speed and what it can do. Okay, so again, that's the Tab M8 HD by Lenovo, their entry-level tablet, and I'm super excited to get this started. And you guys, thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the comments if you got questions. We love answering your questions, and when you ask them, we will shout you out if we choose to answer one of yours. You guys take care. Have a good one.